Want to learn how to buy a Nintendo Switch online membership to play games? This membership lets you access online gameplay on your Switch. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to purchase your online membership. Let's get started. First, from your home page, tap on User Account. Now from the side menu, go to the User Settings. Then on the right side, scroll down a bit. Here, tap on Check Your Subscription. Wait a bit. When it's done loading, tap on Membership option. From here, you can choose either individual or family membership option. For example, if you tap on individual, here you have 1, 3, and 12-month option. Select the one that you like and tap on Proceed to purchase. Now select a payment method and complete the payment process. When you're done with your payment, you'll have the complete online membership access. That's your guide to purchasing a Nintendo Online membership. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.